On this Tuesday morning, I'm outside with the new gas tank, right? I'm trying to put this in. Trying to put the sender unit in. So this is a how-to video. How to put a sender unit in a 1982 to 87 Color Supreme G-body car. It came with these two little rings right here I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try to do this in one hand, but I'm gonna try my best to. Alright, y'all. Got that package. Trick is, I put this black washer right in here on that little bit right there, right? And I gotta put this sender unit inside of that. And use this clamp right here. Just way up right here. Clamp it down using it. So I'll put you back on. Alright, YouTube. I got all the plastic off the sender unit. Now I can send it down to this hole right here. It's kind of hard for me to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna cut you back on when I put it in. Alright, YouTube, the sender unit is inside the gas tank. I'm having a little trouble finding the grooves this lines up to right here, but it should be easy, y'all. So I'm gonna try to unplug this wire right here and send it down there through there, y'all. So this is a ground wire right here. So when I get the car home, I'm gonna have to sand that piece down and put this piece of the on the grommet up there. And go from there, y'all. So the hoses is right here, go plug in right here. So get this on, figure this out, I'll cut you back on. Alright, YouTube, a done job again, y'all. I had it going this way right here at first until I turned it over this way. Well, I rotated it over this way. Put my clamp on. I use my hammer right here, my hammer right here, my screwdriver. So easy fit, y'all. So now I'm gonna put my gas top on. I'm gonna plug these up right here so nothing won't get to my lines, like no dirt or no debris or whatever. Or I might put it back in the box. So that being said, y'all, the sending unit is in, ready for gas. All I gotta do is give me some more line, which I'm thinking about using these lines right here. I'm thinking about using these lines right here. One of them, this right here is the vent right here, y'all. So these right here is these will be the ones that most I use it right here. These two right here, just the vent. So I'm gonna put a piece of pipe on the end of that, the screw, block that off. It's the return and the sending. So gas going through here and returning through here to that line to the car. So gas coming through here, coming out of here, send it to the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with this right here. Put my gas cap on. It's ready to be done. So, alright, y'all. Push back on. Alright, YouTube. I got the cap on and the two hoses I can find right now. I need to get a piece of hole for this piece right here, and that be done, y'all. This right here is coming out the car, out the old gas tank. So once I bring the car home, all I gotta do is drop it, take it out, get rid of the old one, and put that red wire right here. So that's the hot wire for the gas tank. So I got my cap on. Now I'm telling you, y'all, it's in there real good. It's not coming out. Thanks to 87 SS boy. He showed me how to do this little thing in one of his videos he did. And I'm telling you, man, that dude is a gold gem to the old school. I thank him for all his support. And he purchased a tag for me a while back. So I thank him, man. I salute him. I hope you're watching this video. I'm giving his flowers to him now, y'all. So I did get this out at 87 SS boy, but my tank is old, rusted out. So I bought me a brand new 17-gallon tank. It's about to go down, y'all. October 26th, y'all, is coming home. So this right here be all plug and play right now. So I gotta find one little hose for this right here, like I said. This one here. And this is already locked down. I got a little gas in here now, so but I don't have. I'm sorry to say again. I do not have no gas in this tank yet. So once I go to the gas station, I'm taking the tank with me and fill the tank all the way up, so I can put it in my car, no problem, y'all. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. G-Body family, stand up. All right, YouTube. This is the closeout on the video. All right, y'all. I found 2 of the 4 clamps I needed. I found this side here. Got this bolt in here, clamp down. Make sure that bolt don't come out. Got a clamp on that too. So this is right here's the vent, and this right here also is the gas coming in this way here, going out this way here, and return. So come in and return. I'm sorry. So when I finish all this, I'm gonna have a clamp on. I'm gonna find me a smaller hole for this piece right here. I'm gonna buy some. I have to. So this end here going tied on the side of the pieces from the car. Goes in here. And they clamp that end, and that end. So a total of 4 clamps and a smaller hole for this piece right here, y'all. So that being said, y'all, I'm done with this piece of the puzzle for right now. So like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all have a enjoy y'all day in this hot ass sun. I'm done. Go ahead and take a nap. Call it a day already. It's like 10:30 in the afternoon. I'm sorry, 10:30 in the morning, I'm sorry. And y'all, I'm ready to get this shit done. All right, y'all. Peace.